Bon dia, everyone. We are here in Gondramaz at one of the Schist villages up high in the mountains. And we've been here a few days, checking the places out. We visited 4 of them. But these Schist villages are villages that are made of this stone, this shale. And they were built about somewhere in the 12th and 13th centuries. But in the 20th century, they started to be abandoned because there's no jobs up here. We are high in the mountains in central Portugal. So in the year about 2000, Portugal and the EU decided to rebuild some of them. And so here in Gondramaz, you see it's quite beautiful. They have done a lot of renovations here, but as far as a place to visit, it's almost like you're here at a resort. It's full of Airbnbs and rooms for the hotel that we're staying in, but there's no cafe or restaurant, so we have to go down the mountain for that. Talasnal is the famous one. They got some restaurants and some cafes and places to stay there. It's the one that most of the tour groups take you by, and so it kind of feels more like a village there. Casal, Novo, and Chiqueiro were both felt pretty abandoned. Casal Novo, you had to walk straight downstairs to get to it, so it was a bit of a hike to get back up, and there wasn't much to it, but there were some pretty viewpoints. Chiqueiro felt pretty abandoned. There were a couple people there working on houses, but for the most part, there was nothing there. And like I said, here in Gondramaz, you don't have a cafe, you don't have a restaurant, but you got some beautiful places to stay and beautiful places to just chill and be.